Yan! Kakain tayo ngayon ng Happy Meal! Kasi merong bagong toy ang McDonald's ngayon. Ang Happy Meal McDonald's toy. I'm collecting McDonald's Happy Meal toy. My son is looking at me. Taran! Ayan, milk, burger, apple, and fries. And the toy is, taran! Mario! Mario ang toy ng McDonald's ngayon. So, ito ang Mario na toy na nandito sa loob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 na toy ang kailangan kong buuin. So, this is my first toy for this Happy Meal.